is up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today I am doing my updated version, which I have like so many of these, but the updated version of my full coverage acne coverage routine. I was actually asked about how I do this and what I use for foundation and everything, so I decided to put a video together to show y'all what I do currently, because I feel like I'm always testing out new products and switching on my routine, that there's always something new I want to share with y'all. So if you guys want to know my current up-to-date acne coverage, full coverage routine, then just keep on watching. So as you can see, my eyebrows are already done. I have a video on how to do my eyebrows, and that might be up before this video or after it, but I will have it up sooner or later. So before I do my foundation, I like to moisturize my face and cleanse it as well. So I'm just using this Purity wipes. After I do that, I want to put some serum on face, so I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Skin Booster. Just rub it in. I've seen such a difference using serum on my face, so definitely purchase a serum, just finding what works for you. If you have any serums that you really like, let me know in the comments below. I would love to check them out. After that, I am going to moisturize my face with the Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer, and it just looks like this. This is very refreshing to my face. It really awakens my face and just in general. So I'm just putting that on my face and rubbing it in. I always forget to do my forehead because but I normally don't apply anything to my forehead because I always just go to work and wear a hat, which I will still apply the same technique of what I would do, because I've done it different now. Next, I'm going to use the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff my under eyes. I really love this. I definitely think it brightens my under eyes. I have dark circles under my eyes. Some days they're not there. I don't know. I feel like ever since I've been drinking a lot more water, they've kind of disappeared. So the primer I've been loving lately is this Wish Botanical Primer, and it looks like this, and this is just a sample size I have, just a little bit, and focus really on my T-zone and like right under my under eyes, and then I just go out and then focus on the upper part of my forehead right here. For foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty, and I'm in the shade 170. This is something that I really love. It gives you a good amount of coverage and it makes your skin look really natural. So for everybody asking me about what I use for foundation, it is this. This has just been my all-time favorite, and this is my second bottle, and I really love this and everything it does. Then to blend it out, I've been loving using this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and it just looks like this, and I just put a little bit on and focus it right here first and blend it out. I kind of like do a circle motion and then side to side. And do the same for my chin. And then I got more, and I'm doing it on this side. Focus it and swirl. And I'm getting more to blend on my neck. As you can can see, just me covering up my under eyes, it's like a complete different look. Really didn't even do anything but put foundation there. So I'm just going to do that with the other side. And then to cover up these little guys, I'm going to add a little bit more coverage as it's dried down on my face. And pat it on, especially right here and some over here. I'm just going to dab it on, not really brush it on. But then on the sides, I will brush it on. If that makes sense. Just kind of dab and then blend it out. What I love about the Fenty foundation is it dries matte. So, as it looks oily right now, it's like gonna dry so matte. And the coverage is very buildable. So now that the base of my foundation is done, I'm gonna go in with concealer. Probably wondering why I have not done my forehead at all, and that is because I don't really need much coverage on my forehead. If you do, just put foundation and do the exact same steps on your forehead, but for me, I don't need that much coverage on my forehead. So I'm gonna actually do the coverage with my concealer. So with my concealer, I am just gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Light and make a kind of like a triangle under my eyes. Just focus it right here and then make like a line or like a triangle. And I'm just putting dots and then what's left over right here, pretty much like highlighting my face. So after that, I'm gonna just dab it in with the same brush I used for my foundation and just dab it into my skin. This just to keep the coverage and not like blend away the coverage. And then for my forehead, I'm just actually using a sweeping motion and blending it out. And blending it all over my forehead. And then sweeping motion for the lines on my jawbone. So now that my face has been foundationed and concealed, I don't even know if foundation's a word, or, well, it is a word, but you know what I mean, like, for what I'm saying. So I'm gonna now set my face because I don't know how anyone can not set their face. I don't know. To me, setting my face is like a must. It's like something I have to do just to keep everything in place. So for that, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is my all-time favorite powder. It's amazing and it makes my skin look even more flawless. My hand's really shiny. And then for my under eyes, I'm just using this like double-ended brush. I don't know what it's called. I never know. But this is for my under eyes, and I'm kind of doing like a baking thing where I just set it in and like pack it under my eyes. And then I'm gonna do that also with my forehead right here and my chin and kind of like around my T-zone. And then I'm also just using it right here because it's harder to use a fluffy brush around that. And the fluffy brush I will use is this It Cosmetics All Over Powder Brush 211. I love this thing for all over my face. It gets everything so easily, so I will do that on the rest of my face and on my neck as well. So I'll also use the Real Techniques brush to just smooth out the underline, smooth out my eye lines, things right here, so I can not have any creases. I'll look up, not poke myself in the eyeball, and pack it on. And do the same thing right here. And then press it into my skin so it can set my face and look more like skin, which with full coverage foundation, that's kind of impossible, but you know what I mean. I also like to pack it into my nose right here because it's always so hard to get. So yeah, I also do this for my nose. And then pack it on my forehead. And that is my full coverage foundation routine, and this is updated. I update my foundation routine every like 4 months, I think, or something around there. So this is what everybody's been asking for. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next, and also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll all be linked down below, and I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye!
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?